Welcome back to the channel, everyone. So if you can tell in the background, or if you recognize who this is, that is Tanjiro. He is the main protagonist in the hit anime show called Demon Slayer. So the reason why I prefaced this video with that information is because this video is going to be the first of its kind on the channel. It's going to be anime related. It's an unboxing of a figure that I just bought. It's another anime that I'm really interested in currently, so try to guess before I pull up the case on the screen, but I'm really excited about this one and I hope you guys are too. So as you guys can see, it is a figure of Satoru Gojo from Jujutsu Kaisen. It's another anime that I'm very interested in and I've been obsessed with for a little bit now. I just watched the movie, so that didn't help because I was actually really looking forward to getting a figure, just like I have the Tanjiro. And I did slightly open it already because it was wrapped really tightly. The only complaint I have is the box is a little bit damaged, but I'm not super concerned about that because it's more about what's in it, what's in the package. So as you can see, it's gonna be it's gonna be the part where he's kind of like cracking his knuckles. A lot of it, or actually all of it, is in Japanese besides this part, but let's get that open right now. Oh my gosh, there's like, it's taped everywhere, which is, I guess, is a good thing, but it's hard for me. It makes it hard for unboxers, if that's even a word. But let's open that up. Got that tape off, and then here it is, guys. Oh my gosh, there's more tape. When I say that there's tape everywhere, I mean it. It's on every single side. Let's try to get this one off. Okay, so when you get into here, it's pretty simple, really. The figure is definitely kind of bigger than I expected, and it has a stand, which is really cool. But here is, again, there's a lot of tape. So let's start off with the stand first. So as you can see, the stand says Jujutsu Kaisen. That is a really cool feature, and that's actually what sold me. I like little details like that. So we're gonna open up the stand really quick. Oop. And once again, like I do with every video, I will make sure to link this product below. Make sure if you plan on purchasing it, try to purchase it through my link because it does help out the channel. I get a small commission, but as you can see, this is a really cool statue. This is a really cool figure. I like the attention to detail, and I don't know, it just looks really cool, and I'm just looking forward to having this in my collection. Definitely has some good details. I'll bring it closer for you guys. This is like a really new hobby of mine. I didn't really collect figures until I got more into anime. So you can see Tanjiro's back there, and so if you look at the bottom of Gojo's feet, it has a place for sticking the little nub parts into the holes so that he could stand correctly, and there it is. So as you can tell, this is really cool. I mean, at least to me, and I like the quality. The figure itself feels really good. This is like really well made, and I bought it for around $25, so it really wasn't too expensive, especially considering that Tanjiro here, he costed like $35. He is a little bit bigger, and the figure is a little bit more intricate, but with how limited the merchandise and like little figures there are for Jujutsu Kaisen right now, I'm really happy with this purchase. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry that it's not always in the frame. It's a little bit long, but Yeah, so what you guys think? So the Jujutsu Kaisen on the bottoms are really good like icing on the top. Let me have them. Let me move this. I have a bunch of plants in here, but yeah. So there he is. There he is with Tanjiro. Um, yeah, but that's gonna conclude this video. It's the first of its kind, but hopefully you guys like it. Like I said, if you want to make sure to check out the link if you want to purchase, it's gonna be in the description. But hopefully you like the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next upload.